This is a question from SAT. If k minus x is a factor of the expression negative x squared plus nk squared over 29, where n and k are constants and k is greater than 0, what is the value of n? Well, if k minus x is a factor, remember, factors or solutions are where it crosses the x-axis. I'm going to delete that because I don't want it to take up that space. So I said k minus x equals 0. You remember when you're looking for solutions, you look for things that are equal to 0 by the zero product rule. So k equals x if I solve that. I'm working this by hand first, then I'm going to show how to do it in Desmos. So k minus x is a factor, therefore k equals x. And I'm going to rewrite this. Negative x squared plus nx squared, because k equals x, divided by 29. And I will write equals 0. So now I'll add x squared to both sides. Nx squared over 29 equals x squared. I will divide both sides by x squared. N over 29 equals x equals 1 rather. X squared divided by x squared is 1. And therefore, I need a little bit more room. Multiply both sides by 29. N equals 29. Bingo. Okay, another way I could do this is I'd still have to recognize that k minus x equals 0 and k equals x. But then I can do this on Desmos. And watch what I'm going to do. I'm going to set up this equation. I recognize that k equals x, so negative x squared. And then I say plus, and actually I want this to be a regression, so I'm going to add a 1 there, equals n, k is x, so it's going to be x1 squared, this is a regression, divided by 29, and that equals 0, equals y1, but I don't want to use equal. Boy, my typing is faster than I can talk. Equals 1. Now, I want some values for x1, x squared. Remember, x equals k, and it said that k is a I think it said k is a positive, and then k are constants since k is greater than 0. So I want to come up with some positive values, and I'll just make a little table or array of values for x1, 1 to 100, and then that fulfills, k has to be greater than 0, so I'm only making it for positive values of x, and right there it shows me that n equals 29, which is again answer D.